And then while we go see talked about our word draft, we need to activate the word draft. If we never start activate the word draft because we don't hear numerous cry for ground zero, then we talk about this issue of Nambere, and then we talk about our Mamiden, the state of the revolution, and then we talk about the diplomacy. How far will it go as far as diplomacy be concerned? For in this light, first, I want to give a message for our fighters for ground zero. I want to tell our fighters, say, when we are listening, we are listening good. I want to give a straight message, especially for the fighters where they be loyalty to this revolution. When you don't pick a weapon, you pick gun, you decide to defend your people. Why? So another people live for their house, they sleep with their comfortable beds. It means that you don't sign an oath like a military, and you get to protect your people. You not pick arm now to fight against your people. This one it takes me for we don't listen a series of audios where they come from fighters like General No Pity, where I will mention him for here, where in the couples of almost a week ago, we'll be listening an audio for me, where the audio be shocked, plenty of we, because we not be expect that from ye. And when that one be happen, fellow ambassadors, when I be listening the audio, immediately I be react by calling the people where they be concerned. I call the chairman of the Ngokutinga, the security chair, and all them will be there for a call, and they will give a very fast response. I think say think the day in the normal, because they be answer my call, will be there inside the call almost with 5 to discuss the issue with No Pity, why he gave for do so bad. That one he make make me mad think negative of you or what. If you be see the picking the way he lost him, any man would vex that way, because it's not easy for say me and you will talk. Today we come go some place dead at the Kami one, you know they. It be very aching. Now why that way you see some of we there for diaspora, we don't know how the boys that they suffer every day, and how some people don't see die body, so that die body not being anything for people for ground zero. Now why that way when the talk for some place, I be very aggressive. When any man will equal himself ambassador and need to support this revolution in one way or the other. You will be in a person where you have no reach for finance, but what if your own work for do for sensitize people that are around you? We not be contributing at 1 euro. Our people for the ground zero they suffer. Now why do you see our boys it be make that audio, but I want to ambassador people say everything will be put in place. Everything will be put in place, because we don't think say now because it be lost fighters them. It be lost fighters them. Yes, now why that way it be vexed that way to an extent, and we get a bear in mind, all we, because when it be send that audio, we first know say the marine forces, they be well sophisticated. Yes, they be well sophisticated. So the audio be shocked we, but I want to tell what people say everything be. Then this one too, they go for fighters. Any fighter will think, say, you want to chop 2 sides. I want to talk for our fighters then. We cherish una life very well. Would like una. Any fighter will think, say, if you chop 2 sides for this revolution, you will put your life in danger. Yes, I want to talk in response to what way General No Pity that audio we put and say, if they don't work with you, if you work with any camp, that audio it give a room for La Republic to enter. Now that kind of audio the way Nambere when he be talk with Franklin Jume. Now that audio them, we now remember say when Nambere at first he be talk with Franklin Jume. Now he leads for a movement from Nigeria to La Republic. But that one was still come on Nambere, we never reach that for that point. So any fighter manipulation where things say if you chop one side, La Republic will use you very easily because La Republic they have a manipulation. La Republic, we don't put them to the gate of hell. We don't put La Republic they blitz. La Republic now they here for we. They here for we. So now what will La Republic get for do now say the one use now you me, the one use now we ourselves, move fight ourselves so that the game will be very easy for them. So any fighter, I want to talk this one. I want to talk this one to all the fighters. If you get a calm when you fight, stay for that lane. Stay for that lane. If you get a calm when you fight, you think say you fight under the interim government, stay for that lane. Even at the worst come to the worst, stay for that lane. In an ultimate way, they will provide that to you where it will be to your satisfaction. Yes. Because first, when I know so we'll never get a government way, we'll get the resources where the money come out. This money, it come out for individual people that pocket. This money, it come out for individual people that pocket. So man, we say go get today, promise to fighter, tomorrow you no get. But when you fighter, you think say, because of another people, they do diaspora, they call you, for infiltrate you, switch to them. I want to tell you now, fighters, plenty of una don't do as well as that. Diaspora don't keep plenty of una because of it. Because una get longer throat, una get long throat for ground zero. When diaspora they call you when you work under the LGA, why you not tell the LGA? Might talk something. When fighter, he be a brave fighter. I will talk to you. I will talk for you. Say something the way we do behind the scenes. So we know if you can talk. Water. If you do, we don't. I see do for you. I want to tell you something. When fighters, some diaspora man start call you where you belong to a LGA. When he promise you say he want to give you 1 million. That money, they are money. If you give that money for your great work, we don't do it. You want to cherish your braveness for the war. When it pass through the LGA, give that money, you go receive all that money. I bet you now. You are not confused because you dey fight under the LGA. When some money the one come for you, it go come and say LGA go assume say that they will control you. Then they will take that money. No, your gift, they are gift. Your gift, they are gift. Your reward, they are reward. So I want to tell this one for especially fighters the way they think say sometimes if they work with LGA, so another man will call you for one give something, me not pass to LGA. Why would they prevent and say that man will call you say when I enabler, when he want me to use you? If you call you say when I La Republic don't give that money, if you call you so when I say he want me to kill you, and when you start listen that number, you start answer that call, they will tell you player will take the money, and that player will go take the money, they will hold you. Secondly, so one will call you, he talk say he don't see your braveness, he don't see your fight, you don't fight well. He want buy you 2 AK, he want buy you AK. They say thank you, my brother. My brother, if you channel this money for this man, like the chairman this for Gokutinda LGA, like the chairman for Bui LGA, like the chairman for Momo LGA, like the chairman for Kuba LGA. If you channel this money for him so that he will preserve buy me the material, you go hear talk they will talk. Because plenty of una don't go for ground zero, go take material, come back, una life, the cash una road. All the arrests for Nigeria. So we get a work under a structure where that structure be unified. Where before you want to come out, see, man tell you something. Fighters say no. No man of it say LGA. No man LGA by LGA. No man. No man to buy papa property, and no man no get monopoly right when they decide. Say na so. No, even the chairman he no get right. But individual will decide. Individual will decide to use 1.5 million for say you. 1 million how much? Now $1,500 euros. He go decide to say you. Now how much that? When what your life? When what your life? When fighters answer call for 2 sides. When that answer call for 2 sides. My brother, your life dey at stake. When you fighter, you don't be focused. Answer call for 2 sides. You know something? I want to tell you something. Especially for our fighters them. When you fight, like now, so you get AKs. The LGA, you need to control one camp. LGA the control camps. County the control camps. Money if you come with LGA, they buy granite. They want share that granite for all now. And when that granite camp, it go to come na constant. The granite go to come constant. But individual will use in money even at $2,000 for buy granite or give you one time and then convince you tomorrow you know give you. Individual will buy take even at 1.5 million buy enough granite give you convince you tomorrow you know give you. And it go start na the infiltrate it go start infiltrate for no who side you dey and they will pick you. My fellow citizens, fighters on the ground zero, una listen to me good. I don't tell you say, if you want fight, brave, stay for your lane. No nothing will touch you. No nothing will if you fight with one heart, you stay for your lane, no nothing will touch you. When I see how General Ayeke, he die waiting. When I listen, he call them. When I listen, he call. Now he be call SDO. Call this. I'm saying, if they discuss with La Republique, if they discuss with Ambassador, if they discuss with this, if they discuss with this. We don't do that. As I said, now how many of we so will get that general of La Republique that nobody for call them? Yeah, because if me I get any one general of La Republique or their colonials in them, I don't play every day, automatically I go fight even now, we go contribute money for infiltrate with the catchy. Me the holy, I be very serious. If one of we were the activists or the fight within revolution, we succeed for get a location for play where even the general is sleep or the colony for La Republique, we don't end the war. We don't end the war. We fight to forget their contact, but they need the game. But why we not give contact with this man, 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 give contact with this man. And the funny thing now say this, our fighters them, they give now direct contact. You know that if it was a plenty of them know they was up. Plenty of our fighters know they was up. They give now direct contact. Where after the call, they no play with the call. Empty and the record your call everything. They no play with the call. So I want to beg our brave fighters of this revolution. I want to beg our brothers and all now they fight our HPD. We no one lost now. We stay focused. We stay for our lane. We control our lane. Number one common Nigeria and a call. It's a discourse with the Franklin Jume. It lead to that. When I see any fighter that don't deflect or fighter that don't die. What happened? Call this, call this. Didn't I have one die? Wait, the answer call outside. The money call you, the money call you, the money call you, the money call you. Who will control you? So, my brothers and sisters, we will not pick gun to protect our people. We will not give make the people to be happy. Because we will not die every day, our people will not be happy. Secondly, fighters, the way they listen with me, my brother, my sisters, if you pick weapon, you think say that a weapon where you pick them, now intimidate the population around you, me they fear you like general, me they fear you like this, my brother, you better drop the weapon down. The struggle still continue. I want to talk this one for fighters. Any fighter for this revolution, where upon your life, you ever take gun, you point them for any civilians, or you rape any civilians, you intimidate any civilians, you take ransom. My brothers and sisters, at the council, so you know end, you know see the end for this revolution. Any fighter again at the top, now listen, any fighter. Now listen to me, you like be the highest brave fighter for this revolution. If upon your life you don't ever disturb any civilians in right to stay in freedom, because just because of the fact say you pick gun, you hold gun, you intimidate him, you take his money, you take his property, you seize this, you rape people that picking them, you force them for marriage, una do this. I want to tell una, say, una not will see the glory for this revolution, because the revolution independently comes so soon. And I want to tell una again, say, if una don't do so, act them. Una not think say, una will go civilian them. Una see the population around una, that they hold una. Now they get the story. When tomorrow will reach, that time una know day, una know day again, they will ask them, they will get the freedom. That time the civilian they will get the freedom for talk say, now Amba be do this, now the guy will be do these things, now the man will be do these things, now the man will be do these things. Una not think, I want to tell you say, una not think say, when una intimidate the civilian today, una go sit intimidate tomorrow. Tomorrow they will get freedom. Until they get that freedom, una go dey in jail. Yes. When civilians will get freedom, all una, when you intimidate, or you rape, or you do this, you did this, you call for ransom, you do this, una go dey na behind bars, una go dey for jail. As well as La Republic, where they commit genocide, una go join them. For the people they commit genocide, because una not be the real fighter, they will be protect the homeland. Una assume una like that Atanganji boys them. So now a message that way at the game for our fighters. Okay, we go for Nambere and visit Okumba. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, we see the stage work of this guy in Nambere. I say, who be Nambere? Who be Nambere first? Nambere now wants this CPDM. Nambere don't want to work with CPDM. Nambere don't want to work with CPDM. As this revolution starts, Nambere it waiting. It joined the revolution for a selfish interest. When it joined this revolution, when I hear when it talk for population, our Ambazonian people they get almost 100 million a year. We talk for the population. When Nambere joined this revolution, some might be tap me for back, tell me say Nambere is not a good guy. I quite remember when Nambere one joined, where don't go Nigeria go tight. He call the back for join the Meme County with deny. Because Nambere be talk with Franklin Jume, he be talk with Failure Kongo. So did not join the Meme County. That time it's still in Meme County. But no forget about Nambere, we no talk Nambere story. We talk stage where we can do Okumba. Nambere can prepare Atanganji a visit. We see after Nambere can declare no ghost town. Where some of we will send audios, we write, we tell the Kumba people, me don't hear that rubbish on Nambere. And you want to with Amoka. If Nambere no say he get the God, Nambere no say be Nambere where he don't drink one na shabu for yaone ibele no woman he expect for bomb 3 twins. He bomb expect for bomb 3 pikin. One of that box soup they don't give for yaone they when a poison. Na slow poison he die so. Na see bele. Una look Nambere he post. That way he be fight. Na see bele. That one he show say na already die man. That one already die man. Why he talk say he say any man he get 2 cannons last. Why he to get 2 cannons? Why can we Amoka? Why he can we Amoka? When I see all the La Republic officers they come for Ambazonian, they come waiting with Amoka. Why did the car with armor car? Now ask me, say, why did the car alter with armor car? And then they go with Yaoundé, they go to say everything be normal. The one they join Nambere and Atanganji he visit. Atanganji come second visit. Oh, what? You come. They don't keep picking them. You come. You not go for the scene. You go back. Go prepare. You come. If you go, I will ask Atanganji say, he go prepare na Odeshi. Because I don't see the reason why you already get inside Kumba. Then you call Kumba say na Fako. You not go for the scene. Then you go back for Yaoundé, for La République. Then you come back for Kumba. For can tell our mommy they say me they will give 500,000. Nambere, ma tell this one. Nambere come for prepare Atanganji he wrote. They be think say because Atanganji become the first worker he get humiliation. He will be humiliated. So they be think say this worker they will come on Monday. And then when Nambere don't make them, they meet go stand up the people they populated, they are Tanganjina, he come you say Kumbade fine. But I want to tell our people, our Kumba people, I salute you now 100%. I want to salute the Kumba people, especially my mothers of Kumba, my mommy of Kumba. I want to say the independence you already did fix. But at time, we give a be patient. Our people they send a strong message, very strong message all over La République. Say we not deal with them again. We not deal with La République anymore. We not deal with La République. Atanganji can't do it. Can't say they will give 500,000 and then now them one bury people that picking. Why did they fight the cops so better? Those picking are not the military. Now civilians them. When they can't kill them, they will not bury them. When I ask Atanganji, they say, why you not go take that one for Gabu? Why military not decide for burying the one that will die for Gabu? Why they decide for burying the one that will die for Kumba? The mass grave they don't kill all over. Why they not decide for burying that one that they decide for burying and this picking them for Kumba? And then promise the family for give them 500,000. What is 500,000? What is 500,000? What TV 500,000? When man lost a picking, you want bury. I say military must stand there. That picking not be military personnel. That picking are civilians. Give the picking of a Kumba population. Make Kumba population jubilate. Bury that picking them. Give the picking them for the ambassador they cry. The more they bury that picking them. No one bury our uniform. No one scare people because they know. Say when they will move that picking for mutually, only they take out where go come out. They take out where go come out. It will give a strong signal for international community again. But now the one use military now will scare population. Many people will not gather. People will not gather for bury that picking them. All the things say that family level that picking them. They will do some concussion before they bury that picking them. Say any man way he not say get hang for this picking them. He no will live up to 7 days. Because we get people they do so. People they do so say as them are picking now you they go so. Any man you be innocent so you be virgin. Any man will get hang they are die. As I go so me 7 days no reach. Military they fear that one. Why they insist for burying this pin away? They don't kill all sides. They don't take cups. Now the worker takes now this cup them for compensate the parent with 500,000. What a shame! What a shame! We don't see over the week where our mammy them for Boya. They give a clear message to La République. The one they for Bamenda they give a clear message. The one they for Kumba they give a clear message. Fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, when you look into Wamamidem for Ground Zero, for ambassadors, their actions, you don't see clear independence. When you see what mothers them, I mean what mammy them, I don't talk restoration fighter, I don't talk youth. I say when you evaluate one mami their action. They don't tell the Republic clear message. Say, we want our independence. You see how they disgrace the mayor for the governor for Buea. He said, now who them be the killers? They said, them don't know. He said, now who them be the killers? If repeat against, now see how we threatening our mothers. They say use a colonial regime, that's a colonial habit, for fighting our mami them. But you don't say, Ambazonia mothers them. Before one may be mommy for Amazonia, you know easy. Now why that way you see we two the picking the two not easy. Because mommy born lion. Or mommy then a lion, they born lion. Me they know so. One mommy them for Amazonia the lion. Now why that way we to be lion and we don't say we will be never again generation. We will see the end for the fight and get a victory. We put the Republic into their knees. We don't decide how it happen. Or mommy don't say clear message. For Bamenda way the governor say me they sing national anthem. They tell say they need sing national anthem. Yes. And one mami the body sing our own anthem. We don't even need again me they sing them. On the 22nd of September 2017, all man become a peace plan. Sing the Ambassador national anthem. We don't need me to sing that anymore again. That population will be sing that anthem for 2017 on the 22nd of September. We don't need me to sing that again. Now that very 10 out where they come out, governor say they sing national anthem, me address them. They say no. Another governor will come back say who are the killers? They say we don't know. They know say the war it don't go to level way you know they again. I want to tell you something, fellow Amazonians. Any moment thinks that this war need to progress. When I don't read that over, when I read that La Republique. Now their budget for 2021, their budgeting, majority of their budget, they don't program for military. We should say we beat them. And now so we strangle the economy, and so the economy will fall. If we say here country, say 60% of budgeting now for military. No say that country don't fail finish. Now no say La Republique don't fail finish. Why? Because they side for the resources for fill in the gap, you know, they come out. I want to tell you that CDC don't fail no. CDC na the sector will be employ highest after government. Now CDC will be employ high, you don't fail. We be give highest money to government, don't fail. So now that way to fail. Timber, what the timber do? Timber fail. When I think say, Wusa La Republique, it defeat themselves. Now they want to invent phone tax and this. Now sign of failure that for the Republic and now the thing that way we need to do for beat them and we still get to buy more materials, more sophisticated weapons for beat these people to hell. We never even start with them. We just say defend and defend. We never even start with them. We never even start with them. But we get to keep tough resistance and our commitment to contribute. So, fellow Amazonians, I want to beg our population, say, we give a stand focus. We not give a lose no 1 inch to say we doubt our independence. The independence will come surely. But we give be patient. It need to come easy. I want to beg our population, especially Ground Zero, because they feel the highest hit. Say, we not just be patient. When I take some time, reach another country, they will be strong like we. But our own will not even go far. Because our own will get a clear case. Our own will not be a state on our own. We don't be a state on our own. And whether what they go so fast. And in the nearest future, all man will shout, hallelujah. All man will shout, hallelujah. Say we don't finally victory. It doesn't finally come. We don't see our people now that they challenge the colonial regime directly for their faces. Directly for their faces. They talk without panicking. They talk without fear. They show say a sign of victory that. Then we'll talk for humanitarian aspect. After the consultation with the Kumba LGA, this one the draft of the program again will come up so that Paul Nilong will hold them, Prince Deka will hold them, Nancho will hold them, all the activists they will hold them so that Kumba LGA they mobilize resources for see into the situation of the kick away the barbaric regime kill of Kumba and the situation for the one way they be hospitalized. Kumba LGA in that regard they take a bold step before the interim government will come in. So all the sons and daughters of Kumba will not sympathize for the issue where it happened for Kumba. Now time this for we for join hand together. We see how we feel wipe tears for the 1 million where they lost their picking them, the family they lost their picking them, and for take care for the one way they be hospitalized. We don't see how the Republic it is shame our people because our people are slave. Now why the way they go decide for say they want to give 500,000 for each family, and then they seize the corpse them for bury the corpse. When they see how the Republic they still use the colonial regime, the barbaric act, the colonial rule for Amazonian. That one, the colonial rule where they need AXU. They need the AXU. They need DUAM. Now, it go on now. So, the Kumba LGA will put the account for Kumba LGAs for soon, for Facebook, when the program don't be come out, the resource and mobilization team, they come up powerfully for CCME, all the sons and daughters and sympathizers for the issue the way happen for Kumba. Me, we will join hands together. We wipe tears for our fellow comrades, our fellow brothers and sisters, where they be a victim to this incident. So, in the subsequent days, when we come up, we preach about the resource and mobilization team, so that our people too, they feel relief. At least, me even know say Amazonian, the diaspora, they think about, they feel about them, they feel their pain, they think about them. They say, talking like blow, but I say, he hang shot. And then this aspect again, where go take me go for diplomacy. We don't see over the past months where the interim government, even me, I be thinking the interim government be silenced. Yeah. Before that one man at one point I took away. I forget for activate the draft. Yes, before I forget that one. Before I come to that one on the last aspect. This issue of activating the draft, fellow comrades, fellow Amazonians. This one, the message go to all the LGA's chair. I think say some of the things in the way. When the interim government don't decide, sometimes people they go back, they think say the interim government never decide. I want to tell you now, they say the interim government we don't give upper hand because the money, the money, you know, they will interim government hand. I want to tell Amazonian people they took something today when I listen to me very good. The money where it there for war draft, I want beg any man today will listen to me. When they any 5 francs they short for that money. When I calculate any LGA, when I know the amount of anything happen, when I ask the LGA chair people and the defense chair, that money not there for the interim government, and the interim government don't give upper hand for use their money. So I don't like to see somebody can write for Facebook, say the interim government war draft, the war draft money not there for interim government hand. For example, I know back to LGA, all our money there for hand. All our money there for hand. Now whether you see even something happen, the interim government come here for we. The interim government here for we because now we control our money. Now we decide for them how to use the money. Not that the interim government decide how for we for use the money. So I want to make people to be clear. They don't give upper hand. Upper hand mean they use the money. And then second thing, we not say we will not be a country where we get direct link with your country where you just take material. It be very difficult. It be very difficult. So it will be patiently, we will be patient. Because we need to fight in the Republic. We fight enable us the way they find way for destroy the initiative of the world draft. And for destroy activity, the money don't enter. Now what do they want to do? I say they will find way for block me material they don't enter. So we have to be very vigilant. We give some time. We have to be very vigilant. And we not say material will come in bulk. We never be a country where the Republic decide to buy, where you get passage, where you get a trade block with country. We never get trade block for any country for materials. So world draft it already be activated. Anybody needs to be start ask your LGH here what you don't do, what you do. Meet them the respond. Meet them the respond. Any man where any LGA man where you write it each and for the internal government. Just write me. Any LGA chairman will write about the world draft, he refer you to the internal government. Don't write me. They say your LGA man did this. You don't write this, he refer you to the internal government. So it be activated. So now the issue that now we are going for the Swiss initiative. Where naturally that way we don't pay even some of we as far as diplomacy be concerned, because we don't see Grand Zero don't prove beyond reasonable doubt say they be stand firm to any level. But now diplomacy, we follow our president where he address issue as far as diplomacy it be concerned. I want beg Ambassador people say diplomacy, you know, they like action. It is slow, but it will come to pass. Diplomacy is slow, but it will come to pass. When country don't decide, they go decide. And people don't really argue. Say the Swiss initiative no fit work. And La République no recognize the Swiss initiative. Okay, they don't talk say me La République stand. Declare for public say ye not be interested for the Swiss initiative. Then we know another step. La République be committed. And La République give go ahead. But La République tactics and say, if they be convince we, me mix our brain, they will start knock our brain, only me and you will knock our brain. Then they'll tell international bodies like that. Okay, now, yes, they don't accept the institution, we go for table. Who they will go for the table? Because we did not knock our brain, We did not knock our brain. So now the tact is that where the one use this initiative that one of coalition to wait for get people to knock our brain. Then I want to tell you something as far as this diplomacy issue is concerned. When I see when people also form this coalition of this, we will be very careful. Say if we Ambazonian, we not stand firm, and then we stand behind institution where we trust them. When these people will form their coalition of this, when time will reach, they will tell we move go for referendum. And we want to go for referendum. When these people they get upper hand, no say will be at the winning party. I want to tell our people, if we not take care, these people they form so coalition where they will get a bigger voice. They form a coalition where they will get a very bigger voice for talk. We get a bigger voice to talk. Where they look at say they compare with the internal government. They will just say, okay, now move go for referendum. And they want to go for referendum, they will ask the people, they say, what if they understand? They say they do one Cameroon. Because they don't buy the conscience of people. They don't mobilize. They don't say they get a stronger voice for talk. Now we discover our sensitivity. So we don't fight, we don't kill, people don't die. They will still find ourselves for the same spot. The same spot. So Ambazonian people again will be very careful. Which way will they go? If you want total independence, I say, brothers and sisters, must stay for one lane. Must stay for one lane. Must stay for one lane. Internet government don't prove them beyond reasonable doubt. Say what draft you don't prove as Ambazonian people. Now one. I want to tell some people something when una no know. When you talk about collaboration, unity, Ambazonian na first country for the world where don't ever get a transition election, handing power with nothing, and they don't be united. Ambazonian in the beginning not ever be united, but we get election where it go transition with everything. And then they begin calm. Frontier begin calm. Mille begin a calm. Any man begin own opinion. They don't begin one as the same opinion. But the majority be win. And the majority for this revolution, they with the internet government. So we give a stand firm with the internet government if we want win. If we want win, we stand firm with the internet government. Because when the internet government get a bigger voice, no man will talk. Where we stand for the independence, as we for the people, internet government will stand for independence. When they see what stand, they don't call we move go for referendum. Because referendum will be like a waste of time. But when they see we with the dangle, when they see the internet government, they see the majority, what do they do? And they don't say majority, 99% stand for independence, they don't call for referendum. But if we misfire, these people will go do that act, what they want to do. They will get no choice. So, now for that will end today. I thank you so much for watching. Subsequently, we will come with more info. Now stay blessed.